Hi everyone, welcome back to our day 3, and today we will focus on learning exclamatory sentences or expressions that help to convey your emotions like surprise, excitement, anger, fear. We use to express these feelings by exclamatory sentences. So today we will focus on that. So by the end of this class, you will be able to use exclamatory sentences naturally to make your English more expressive and authentic. So let's dive into it. So, what are exclamatory sentences? Exclamatory sentences are used to express strong feelings or emotions, and they are often short and to the point. Let's look at a few examples of exclamatory sentences in everyday English. Wow, that's amazing. How exciting. What a beautiful day. So these are exclamatory sentences. You see, these sentences are used to make our expression more alive and full of emotions. So we use it in more day-to-day casual conversation, and also in storytelling, and even when we want to emphasize our thoughts. Now let's look at the structure of the exclamatory sentences, and there are two main ways to form this. First is what. Using what. So this is used when you want to emphasize the noun, like for example, what a beautiful day, or what a beautiful sunset or sunrise. And using how. So how is used when you want to emphasize the adjective or adverb, how amazing this is. So here you can notice that how is followed by an adjective to show the emotion of surprise or admiration. So let's go over some exclamatory expressions that you can hear in everyday English. I'll say them and I want you to repeat after me. So ready? First one is wow, that's incredible. Second one is oh no, I can't believe it. Yay, I did it. Oh dear, that's terrible. Hooray, we won. As you repeat this, you can see that how they are very simple but impactful. So using this in your conversation can make your conversation so lively. Now let's see some practical uses. Here are your friend that told you a good news. So there are some exclamatory sentences in the way you can respond to him or her. So your friend got a new job, so you can say wow, congratulations. And another friend told you that I lost my phone, so you can say oh no, how unfortunate. So see, in these scenarios you are not only saying words, you are expressing. Your words are showing emotions. And here is a crucial tip. Exclamatory sentences work best with right tone and right body language. So let's practice saying it's amazing with different tone. Like first one is wow, that's amazing. And then you are saying yeah, that's amazing. The first one is very enthusiastic, second was is little mean or sarcastic. Right body language and tone is very important to show genuine emotions. So if you are excited, let that show on your face. All right, so let's do a quick practice together. I'll say a sentence and you will repeat after me, but remember to use the right tone. Okay, so wow, what a beautiful day. So how will you say wow, what a beautiful day? Then, how beautiful this is. So, how will you say? How beautiful this is. Then, oh my god, that's unbelievable. Hooray, we did it. And the last one is, what a disaster. Great job today, everyone. Exclamatory sentences are a very powerful way to bring expressions, emotions into your spoken English. Remember, practice is a key. Try using exclamations in your daily life. In our next session, we will explore new topics, and till then, you must practice. You can do one thing, that turn on your CC or closed captions from the top of the video. In our next class, we will learn something new. So until then, keep practicing, be expressive, and share this video who might find it helpful. See you next time. Bye bye.